How to use ChatGPT for coding, step-by-step for beginners. Welcome to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for simple tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for coding, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com and log in or create an account. You can use the free version or upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for more advanced coding help. Step 2. Choose the right model. If you're using ChatGPT Plus, select GPT-4 for better code generation. For free users, GPT 3.5 still works great for basic coding tasks. Step 3. Ask ChatGPT for help. Now type your question clearly. For example, write a Python program to calculate factorial. Fix this error in my JavaScript code. Explain what this code does line by line. ChatGPT will respond with code, explanations, and even debugging tips. Step 4. Copy and test the code. Copy the code from ChatGPT and run it in your preferred editor, like VS Code, PyCharm, or an online compiler like Replit.com or jsfiddle.net. Step 5. Refine and debug together. If the code doesn't work as expected, don't worry. Just copy the error message or problem and paste it back into ChatGPT. You can say, "It's showing this error. How do I fix it?" Make this code more efficient. ChatGPT will walk you through improvements step by step. Bonus tips. Ask ChatGPT to explain complex topics like APIs, classes, or loops. Use it to learn new languages like Python, Java, or HTML. Try small projects like a calculator, to-do app, or website layout. And remember, the more specific your question, the better the result. Important reminder. Always test and review the code ChatGPT gives you. It's smart but not perfect. Use it as a helpful assistant, not a final answer. That's how you can use ChatGPT for coding, whether you're learning, fixing bugs, or building projects. If this helped you, give the video a like, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.